welcome back to the channel, guys. Before I go any further though, my sinus is giving me a heck of a time. So if you hear me sniffling, please forgive me, alright? If you have been with the channel from its inception or for any period of time, and if you know me personally, you know that I am not necessarily the most emotional person out there. But I came across a story earlier today that, really made me feel how I'm looking at myself as a human, and I wonder sometimes, you see, when you are in a position of stability, try to maintain it, because nobody really know what tomorrow brings. You understand what I say? It can change like that. You understand what I say? This story is not new, but for some strange reason, this is just coming to my attention. I think this has been going on from 2011, 12, 13, thereabout. You understand? And the story is about former Olympic representative Olivia Mckoy. Her situation at the moment is not pretty, guys. So I'm going to share with you an article that I came across, and we'll have a look at reason about that something. You understand? It says, so sad, Olympian found begging on the streets of Mandeville. Olympian, Jamaican Olympian. It says former Jamaican javelin and discus thrower Olivia Mckoy, who represented the country at 2 Olympic Games, is homeless and begging on the streets. That really struck me. You understand? That cut me to my core. I tell you the truth. See? It says Mckoy was photographed roaming the streets of Mandeville on Friday, November 11th. In the image captured by Jamaica Track and Field website, Track Alerts, a seemingly distraught and trimmed Mckoy, yes, she has lost a lot of weight, had her hands outstretched in a plea for assistance. That is so sad. So sad to see her on the sidewalk with bags and all kinds of stuff spreading out at the Cecil Charlton Park in Mandeville today, was the caption that accompanied the art trending photo. It is art trending in truth. I'm going to share it with you guys. It says, also captured in the image were scribbled on a wall closest to where Mckoy now sleeps. Wow. The writing included her name, where she was, which is Mandeville JA, and a number to contact her. Retired since 2008, Mckoy won silver medals at the 1999 and 2005 Central American and Caribbean Championships, and bronze at the 2006 Commonwealth Games. So she's fairly decorated, man. She also competed at the 2000 Olympic Games, the 2005 World Championships, and the 2008 Olympic Games. Wow. Her personal best throw is 61.10 meters, and which is a standing Jamaican record achieved in July 2005 in Nassau, Bahamas. In a plea for help, published in the Jamaica Observer in 2013, see me tell us this a go a long time, I don't know how this slip past my radar. Mckoy said that her financial situation had become so bad that she was unable to pay rent and spent many nights on the streets of Kingston with her 4-year-old son by her side. Wow. Since then, she eked a living from bag juice sales on the streets of Kingston. At least she did try to push the thing still. But 3 years later, having sent her son overseas for a better life, I'm glad said that was able to happen. So at least the youth really suffer the extremities that his mom is actually facing at the moment. Still with nowhere to go and no money, she was again forced on the street. So she not no family. Like, she not no family at all. She not no friends. You understand what I'm saying? I find that peculiar though. It says she reportedly said that the Jamaica Athletics Administrative Association, J3, has stepped in periodically over the years, making donations to help her buy. I know also in about 2013, based on my research since there, that Heidel actually gave her a job but very quickly that came to an end as some falling out went on and she was back to square one. You understand me? So that is very unfortunate. I mean, it's sad. I am really saddened by the plight of Miss Mckoy. And it's not just because she's an Olympian and it's a female. It's just because she's a Jamaican and she's a human being. And knowing that this is somebody who had made sacrifices and represented her country and have done well for her country, there must be something that we can do for this woman. You understand what I say? I mean, nobody knows what tomorrow brings. I tell you that already. We don't know. You understand what I say? Today for you, tomorrow for me. We don't know. So we need for lend a helping and we need for help when we can. It don't have to always be money. It can be a word of encouragement. It can be food. It can be clothes. It can be something we need for help one another in another country. You understand? And I am saying that the GH3As can do more than what they are doing. She said periodically. I think them can do more than that. You understand? There are many corporate entities who can adapt athletes in the country during their competitive years and after and in their development. I mean, we only want to support these athletes when they're in their prime and destroying the world. You understand what I say? We need for be more caring, we need to be more considerate, and we need to be more future thinking. Olivia's situation is very heartening, it is heartrending, it is sad. You understand what I say? It is actually depressing. So if you come across her, you see her, try to give her the encouragement, no man. Try to give her anything you can and try as best as possible, peeps. Not to look down on persons like these, because you see sometimes circumstances are so difficult you never know. But what I say still, where is her family? That is my underlying question. Where is her family? Where are her friends? I am sure she had friends when she was representing Jamaica and probably earning some money for herself. Where are those persons now? You understand what I say? The government, I think, need to look at this. We can't have somebody, this would be like we have a military veteran who went and fight and represent the country and fight for the country and bled for the country, come back home and have to live out on the street. That's how I feel about it. You understand what I say? It's not supposed to happen. See? We had an athlete award ceremony the other day. Truth of the matter is the athletes deserve everything that they got. But the truth is, are Usain Bolt, the money that Usain get, Usain never did need it. You understand? The money that Asaf, like, he never did need it. Veronica, Shelly and Ilian. The truth of the matter is these persons are very affluent persons. You see, we need to look out for some of the money could have gone to people like Olivia Mckoy. As me say, I now bash the athletes them. You know how me feel about Jamaican athletes and sports in general. The youth them deserve it. But as me I say, the quintessential point here says that them not really need it. You understand? There are other persons out there who need it. So we probably need to prioritize. So we can recognize athletes and if monetarily fine, but we also need to look out for the athletes who are in a situation that is less than ideal. This is Steve saying, guys, we could look out for one another, man. We could help each other now. You understand? We need people around me. I am probably not the best person to tell you that. I am a bit of a loner, but I know the need and see the need and the value of having persons around. You understand what I say? Because today you will be up and tomorrow you will be down, and you're going to need some people to lift you up and keep you on a level. So I say, so guys, I one love you, no man, one heart. Let's get together, no man. You know what thing go. I'm out. Remember to like, share, subscribe. This is Steve saying, until next time, walk good.